What is up, everybody? Joe Everest, the fence expert. You know, we got a lot of questions about the tools offered at ozfence.store, so we wanted to shoot a few videos to show you guys exactly how we would go about using them. And it stands to reason we would start with our most popular tool, the banana clip. Now, banana clips serve a pretty vital function in hanging chain link fence, and that is it lets you stand the chain link fence up for an extended runs of fence without worrying about it falling over before you get a chance to tighten the fence. Now, in years and generations past, when I was a kid, we would have made our own. And these are fine. I mean, it's a piece of 1 3/8. It's obviously been through life a little bit. We would have welded just some round bar onto it. It holds the chain link up. It does okay. It's a little heavy, a little unwieldy, but it did the job. If you don't have a fabrication shop or the inclination to weld up a couple dozen of these, enter the banana clip. Now, the key things about the banana clip, it lets you sit on the top rail while holding the chain link up like this. You would simply slide it in, twist it over, and it's gonna hold the chain link tight to the top rail, but not so tight that it won't let it slip. Now, tip on these is you don't want to install them at the very end of the section towards where you're pulling, if that makes sense. So in this example, we're pulling in this direction. We've got our tie-offs here, we've got a loose end here, we're pulling this direction. I wouldn't want to put a banana clip too close towards this line post, or else it's going to hit that line post and not let the chain link pass past it. We would put one towards the far end, away from the pull, and then about 2/3 the way up the panel. 2 of these clips per panel holds the fence up, but also lets you pull it along to tighten it as you're tightening the fence. All right, guys, one feature I like a lot with Company Cam is they give you a map that has pins for all your projects. I've got a customer that wants to see cedar, pre-stained, walnut fences that we've done recently to get an idea how they look. I pulled up the map icon on my Company Cam project folder, and it's going to show me all of them, but it only shows 50 at a time. So this is 50 of the 420. But because we had the labels that I showed you guys last time, I know there's a label for pre-stained walnut, and it'll show me all the projects that are pre-stained walnut. I can simply click them. I can grab the address and send that to him, or I can download a few photos as a montage, send those to him as well. Company Cam is great for contractors because it makes my job and your job a whole lot easier. Now, the nice thing about the steel banana clips is they have this cutout. And for what that is for, so you take a piece of pipe, you'd insert it in and it'd hold it up so that if you're doing 8-foot extended height fences, you could use a piece of pipe at whatever length to help push the chain link up, click it onto the top rail. So again, you take your chain link, you put the banana clip in, pull it up, hook it onto the chain link, and we're done. Again, 2 of these per section. Start near the line post, away from the pull, and then 2/3 up the panel, giving yourself plenty of room to pull out the slack on this chain link. You'll be set up for success. But Joe, why do you offer plastic banana clips? You may be asking yourself. Well, that, my friend, is for when you have vinyl coated chain link fence. So this metal clip, now it's powder coated and it's nice and shiny because this one's brand new, but as you use it, the powder coating is likely to chip and fall off. So we're worried about the straight edges, the sharp edges on the steel banana clip, scuffing and scratching that brand new coating on a vinyl coated fence. Plastic banana clips significantly lessen, never say never, but significantly lessen the chance that we're going to scuff the top of that vinyl coated chain link, the top rail. They work in the same way. You would insert it into your diamond, pull up, hang on to your top rail, and voila, no falling down chain link. That's a professional term. And guys, the walkthrough is as easy as that. 2 per panel. Steel is the preferred tool for this job unless you're dealing with vinyl coated, in which case plastic would be the way to go. For more information, to find them, check out ozfence.store.